Do you wonder how it is to browse on the Amiga? Well, in this video I want to show you exactly that. Let's power up IBrowse. This is on my Amiga 1200 with 100 MHz 60. It doesn't really matter so much because the browsing on the Amiga is not PC Mac quality of browsing, but it kind of shows how fast HTML browsing can be. Yes, so I just want to show you how fast it is to browse with an Amiga. You need at least an 68030 or higher to get some real experience. You can on 020 or lower, but you should at least have some memory, extra memory, such as 16, 32 or 64 megabyte of RAM. It's not much, but it is enough for HTML browsing. Let's go on to Aminet, for example. This is browsing on the 1200. This is in 1920 by 1280 by 720. Sorry. So I can show you mode. This is 1280 by 720, 32-bit. I think it's enough for recording this video, but you can also have 1920 by 1080, of course, and it works. But yeah, let's have it. Let's have the file size a little bit lower, and we don't need higher, I think. Well, this is Aminet. You saw how fast it was to open the Aminet.net site, and that is one of the cool features of HTML browsing. We can also go to Amiga World Net, and yeah, this is my time machine is not as it should be. Time, yeah, 2020, my dear, and it is December, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, and it is which day is it? And today is it 17th? Yeah, I think so, and it is around 1:37. Let's say that. Yeah. Yeah, it likes that much better. SSL is a bit, you know, it doesn't like that it alter with the time on the machine. Yes. So this is AmigaWorld.net, and as you see, it is one of the most brilliant websites I have seen, because it looks nice in a HTML browser, and also in a normal Firefox, Google Chrome, yeah, Opera, etc. So yeah, it looks fairly decent, and it's yeah, quite fast to be on a 100 MHz 60. So can read all the news, Amiga news. Download the latest files from Aminet. You can download this text editor. See, and you download it, and it's quite fast downloading Textra. It's a GUI-based text editor written in J4. Amazing. So that's how it is. I don't know if fullabime.net is in HTML or not. You can try. Yeah, that is also a nice site. So if you have any questions about a game or a game, because this is a game database, you can search it here and for Amiga, of course. So it's an online Amiga database that is amazing, and as you see, it works fine in a HTML browser like IBrowse. Let's search for alien breed, for example, and then it lists up all the alien breed games available released for the Amiga, and you can of course go into them and click on them and see more information about it. And yeah, so as you see, HTML is quite usable and fast. You don't need a fast machine to use it, and that is the nice thing about it. And as you see, you can browse an Amiga 1200 with nice graphics, 32-bit screen mode and everything, and it looks really good. So yeah, so it's fun. But of course, if you want to use something else, like Google, for example, it doesn't look great. Let's see here. Yeah, it actually reads the HTML version of Google, and let's just search for Liechtenstein, because I love that country name. And then you see at this is how it looks like in an HTML web browser. It's not a pretty site, I know, but you can go to Facebook, for example, mfacebook.com, and let's see if it loads up or not. It should, yes. So as you see, even without the basic CSS features, it looks like this. It's not like on a PC or Mac or Linux or any operating system where you have CSS or MorphOS, for example, or OS4 through WebKit browsers. Let's open an app for taking a grab of this screen. You can go to stuff. I have an app here which is called sgrab, and it's brilliant for taking grabs of the screen you are using. So we are not using 4PC, so we have to use the normal version. And yeah, so let's have some fun. We need to save it as a JPEG because yeah. So let's take it to the RAM, and let's IBrowse. Yes. So, and then we can grab the entire screen. So, and now we should have the grab here. That is the file, and let's try to upload it to Facebook and see if it works. So the SSL and everything in IBrowse is working. Yeah. So let's find a file here in preview. So you see it's using, we get a preview of it, but it works. So let's just say I am doing this for Amitopia TV video on YouTube. Facebook works using IBrowse. Oh, 5. Even without CSS, but with SSL, that is accepted. Okay, so, and now let's try to post this. So let's see if it is posted, and it is posted. Wow. Well, that is how browsing is on the Amiga. HTML sites looks nicely, like AmigaWorld.net, Aminet, etc. And Facebook. And with only 128 megabytes of RAM, we still have 103 megabytes of RAM left. So HTML takes much less usage of RAM than full CSS systems. I've seen on my Morphos machine that Facebook can take up to 600-700 megabytes of RAM.